Just watch.
All right, I'm ready to find my component.
Wait, get the fuck over there, bro.
1606 VR.
Bro, stop it.
Yo,
Get your wubble
so
bubble
who's the
candy
contestant?
cane,
Who's the
motherfucker.
contestant?
Me and him.
Yo,
Me and him.
you-
In the
going to
wrong side of the
contest,
corner,
Who you choosing?
we have Johnny Sins, the blue.
That's an awfully hot coffee
Reaper
pot.
Man, Scythe, at the cold, Stabber, yeah. And in
Everyone
this
get away
corner,
from the fight.
we have.
There's 2 people near.
Yeah.
Everyone get away. 2 people near.
Some random ass
Why is my-
name. In this corner with the
Fucking-
cowboy hat. He wears a mask. He has a card. He's the man, the myth, the legend. Black. That's his name, Black.
Yo,
Suck
wait
my
a second.
balls.
All right, everyone. All right.
Oh,
Then
yo,
step forward. We
chill.
need to stare down.
Where's the
Separate, everyone.
Okay,
Cut to
hey,
the
if you're
sideline.
not back,
Find
you're
out what
out.
to do with the
Back,
routers.
goddamn,
Move
To
over.
the sideline.
Back up.
Everyone
Literally,
just
watch
get
your
away
height.
from my friend.
Just go
Do the
around.
sideline.
Just go
Do the
around.
sideline.
Oh,
Do-
just go
do-
around, man.
do-
Just go
do
around
the
and watch him
sideline.
up there.
Do the sideline.
Go
Do-
back
do-
to
do-
meditating.
Do the
Go-
sideline.
go on
Do
the
the
tree, go
sideline.
up the
Do-
tree on
do-
there,
do-
alright?
Do the sideline. Do the sideline. Do the sideline.
Hey, everyone move over there. Everyone move
Everyone
over
sideline,
back up
sideline,
behind that
everybody.
car.
Sideline,
Go on that
sideline.
goddamn tree up
Over
there.
here.
Do not tag anyone. there.
Please, Lava must be
Nobody's
very
listening to
careful.
you.
Tag. Go up there. Do not tag. Go up there.
Go up there. Lava, go up there.
Please be very careful.
Oh my god.
Why did
Go.
I just say be
Every
very
lava,
careful?
go up there, alright? Go on that branch over there, alright, man? Go on that branch.
Alright, Purple Monkey, we love you,
Don't
but
ruin this for us.
No,
We
no.
love you, but like,
he's ready.
listen, you
He's
can
ready
give us
to
a good
pounce.
angle from up there, alright? Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait.
All right. We're ready to do the stare down and the introduction.
Yep,
Yes.
we need to stare down.
Listen,
Alright, who's
listen,
being against
listen.
who?
Listen. I introduced that corner, this corner. You introduced.
No, guys,
Go back.
I'm the referee. I introduced the corners. Guys, I introduced.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Purple's.
I'm the
Yeah,
referee.
purple.
You're the announcer.
We have the microphones.
I'm the referee.
Everyone
Hey,
get
you
to
get
the
up the ground. You
sidelines.
get up the ground. I'm the
Everyone get
referee.
to the
I'm the
sidelines
referee.
except
Yo.
for the fighters, the microphone
I'm
holders,
the
and
referee.
the
Get up the ground.
referee.
Get up the ground.
Listen, I
Get up the
swear to
ground.
God.
I'll grab your
Shut
belt.
up. Everyone shut up.
Silence.
If you want
Everyone
oh
be
my
quiet.
fucking God, you're
I
actually so
don't care.
weird.
Let's go into a private lobby. I'm getting sick of this.
Private lobby,
Yeah.
private lobby, private lobby.
Let's do
Private
it
lobby.
casual.
Alright.
Let's do it casual.
Yeah, do
Casual.
it casual.
Yeah,
Make sure your things are
casual. I didn't want to
casual.
put it on casual. Casual.
Hey,
wait,
The
join
code
the
is gonna
code.
be
1, 2, 3.
No,
1, 2,
there's
3.
people in there. There's people in there. No, there's people in there too. We need a retarded ass code.
ABB.
Okay.
Wait, I got one.
means
Wait,
not
I got one.
dying.
I got a code. Everyone, shut up. I got a code.
P.
Everyone.
What is
Zero
Code?
I.
Hey, call- everyone, shut up.
P0
Code?
I.
No. Don't put in that code. Don't put in the code. I get a perfect code.
Motherfuckers, move.
M-A-K-E-R. M-A-K-E-R.
What is it?
M-A-K-E-R. K-E-R. Maker.
I can't fucking see. Okay, everyone do it one at a time.
M-A-K-E-R. Wait,
Got
yeah, one at a
someone
time.
speak?
M-A-K-E-R.
M-A-K-E-R.
M-A-K-E-R. All they join
Maker.
if you're gonna. I already know the code,
Wait,
so everyone
Wait,
that knows it join.
M-A-K-E-R.
Wait, what's the code? Wait, what's the
K-
code?
M-A-K-E-R. No, we're doing rap battles. And put it on casual if you're gonna join.
Okay.
K-E-R.
It doesn't matter.
Why?
It doesn't matter.
Why? No, why is
No,
it
the
infection?
first person who joined didn't.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't
Okay,
matter.
but
Are you-
everyone get to the sidelines except the mic holders, the referee, and the fighters. So you.
Wait,
There's one referee, one announcer.
No, there's two
Yes.
announcers. He's the
We
announcer.
announce. Okay, we announce each corner. Wait.
I'm
so
the
we
referee.
He's the referee. You guys
You're the
stay on the
referee.
side. Just stay on
What?
the side,
Take
or
the
you're
beat.
gonna ruin it.
Everyone stay on the sides. Do what Orange is doing. Like keep your hands like off like that. All right.
Do that.
White. God damn it. Do what he's doing. White, get out.
Just don't say white.
Purple, get up.
Just cause he's
Trash
white.
it. Purple, you too.
No, bro.
back up, bro.
I'm the. Oh, that purple.
No, yeah, that purple. You come closer.
Am I wearing a coconut right now?
Purple. Move.
Dude, let's just do the announcing and do the beatboxing.
You go hot.
All
Doesn't
right.
matter where
In
we
this
are.
corner, we have Johnny Sins, the blue
That's an
bald
awfully
menace,
hot
stabby
coffee pot.
stabby man with his 17-inch long PP right there in his hand.
Now I do this one, and then we end up.
Other
I kind of.
Okay, I got my
have
beat
a problem
down.
with my head. Which one? Is that my left or right?
Bro, yo lag horrible. Get off the
Just stay
stage.
in the other corner. Just stay in the other corner.
Alright, let's just get to it. Let's just get to it. No one cares about him. No one cares about him. Let's just go.
1 foot.
Can you read
penis
the fucking
holder?
name, you ugly?
1 foot penis.
And
Hey,
he
yo.
has a mask.
I got 22. I'm passing 22.
Let's go.
What you got on that?
Black, you going
Okay,
first.
ready, rap
That could be your
battle.
corners,
Who you
please.
going for? First one, him. You put the microphone to his face.
All right,
Yeah,
go
right here.
ahead, man.
Start the beat. I need a beat. I need a beat.
Everyone be quiet.
I need a slow,
He
hard
starts the beat.
Start the beat.
So hard.
Yo, yo, yo. Me and my friends going out to the club, picking up all the girls. Me and my friends picking up all the girls, yeah. Hey, this black monkey never getting the girl, but he's also a liberal cause he got that mask on. We never had mask on, we hate liberals, Joe Biden sucks my cock, yeah. Hey, yo, you out in the wild, that's where you lonely as hell. You know I ain't never gonna be with you cause you as bad as me. Whoa, hey, you suck cause you black.
Yo.
Now let's typically out even that shit.
Not bad, not bad, not
I'm
bad.
not fucking lying, bro. That shit was. Give me the gayest beat you had, bro. That was the worst.
Oh,
one
okay.
I've ever heard. Giving them glizzy a pack of a six pack, giving them pills and he get that whole lot. Giving that big ass glizzy, going on that kid is choking on day.
That's enough of that. That's enough of that. I think we obviously know. Stop the beat. Stop the beat. Stop being gay. Not you. You stop being fucking gay, Carl. Get your ass out of here.
Stop being gay, Carl.
Carl, Mr. Beast face ass. My God.
We need the gay music for that one.
So who won? Who won? Who won? Who won?
Honestly, me, because I'm taking that
I'm
song.
sorry, Black.
I'm the
Given
referee.
that not even
I'm
roasted, you just
sorry.
fucking spitting random ass shit. Yeah, I take pills every day. My back
Sorry,
is
referee's gonna go
Yo,
make his choice.
I'm about to cut my
That
wrist.
wasn't
Yeah.
even
Well, my bars went hard.
Yo, bar rappers,
balls.
bar rapers, please stay on the
All
trunk.
right.
Bro,
You
those
the
bars were
the people who
hard.
are rapping. Everyone must
Yo,
discuss
please.
besides them. So blue and black,
think
you
one?
guys stay on the ring,
Like-
and other
Oh.
black with the candy cane. Follow me.
Okay.
No,
Okay,
Wait,
announcers.
I'm coming back up.
And red.
okay. So
Me and Red are the
Motherfucking guy wanna bring me in game.
judges.
all right, I'm just
Black
gonna listen in. All right,
and white
I'm
are
gonna
the
announce. I'm gonna announce what you guys think. All right.
Alright,
I
so
think blue
yeah, no,
wins.
because
He
obviously
did so much
black.
roast.
Hey, yeah,
Dude, you're
honestly,
so
black-
gay. Oh my God.
Black would
He
went
did
like
so much
really-
roast. Black didn't do a single roast. He just talked about his penis. Oh my God.
He honestly just talked about taking fucking marijuana in his bathroom and cutting his wrist. Like, I don't think anything about that. Like,
Exactly. Like not just that, but it was really short, and the beat was gay.
Yeah, I know.
I think and blue was actually rhyming too. I think it's blue.
Such a
Yeah,
wobble
it's blue.
bubble wobble
It's
double
blue.
head ass up.
Yeah.
I can't hear you. It's blue.
And his beat was good too. He asked for a good beat. White, we have our white. No. Black.
Yeah. I think I know who wins.
Yo.
We have a winner. Yes, we do.
You're the winner.
The winner is
Obviously.
Ready? Get a beat for
Let's
me.
go! I knew I would beat them. Fucking black monkey.
The winner is this monkey.
I'm Johnny Sins.
No. Let me.
Johnny Sins.
Boom! Bro, black monkey's just mad. Hey, come on. Let's go to my farm. I'm gonna slave you.
Hold on. Wait.
Yes, to your grandpa's farm.
Hey, where's black at?
guys,
I won.
guys.
Which one?
I want to do the same thing. I want
Win
someone to beat
off
up
me,
me.
Carl.
Guys,
Okay,
beat up
I'll give them a
I'm
beat.
coming.
I'll give them a beat. I'll give them a beat.
Hey
No,
guys,
but
let me
we're
go.
supposed to be beat pop challenging. You just cheer for us.
Hey, is anyone doing another rap battle?
No,
Yes,
but
we
we're
are.
doing a beat pop battle next.
Okay. Okay, I'm up for doing it one. I'm up for doing one.
I'm up, bet I'm a contestant.
Me and purple. All right, you wanna go first?
Purple doesn't even have a
Oh,
mic,
you don't want
does
me to
he?
go first. You go
Oh
first.
yeah, I want you to go first.
No, I'm not going first.
Stop.
Okay, let time to go home. No, he got the debuff sound effect.
See, That's so much better than
Please
purple
shut up.
already. Okay, my turn.
Come on. Alright, let's see it, buddy. Okay?
Yeah.
This man going forward. Hey, that's enough. Hey, we need to do our competitions. We got a judge.
Okay.
Wait,
Yes,
where's
I
Black Monkey at?
Boys, come here.
You.
We need a judge.
Personally, I don't think mine was amazing. So.
I wanna I wanna rap battle you.
Wanna rap battle me, you wubble bubble schwubble double pink bitch?
Hey, I can't compete against purple.
Okay, purple wins. Everyone, I'm fighting coconut. That wubble.
Yo, I win.
Y'all are trash. Yo, I
Okay,
win.
No, I can't roll my voice box like that.
You go first. Me go first? Someone give me a beat.
I'll give you a beat.
What?
Yo, here, I got you. Wait, no, what do you want? You do him, I'll do him.
You do him, I'll do him.
Fine.
Are you ready?
You go first. Okay,
Black's going first.
What you want?
I need that SpongeBob beat.
A SpongeBob? I don't know if how good I'm gonna do it, but okay. I could try.
Yeah.
I can try. Ah, no.
Get your wubble bubble fucking Patrick
Yeah, seriously.
fucking gnome ass fucking bitch ass hoe ass out of you. Get the fuck out of you ugly ass
Bro, you're not
wubble
even
bubble
rapping.
bitch. Suck my dick, you ugly ass nigga.
It's not even rapping.
You know what, guys? I want to track race someone.
Give me a beat.
I'll beat
Give me
him.
a beat
I'm
really
gonna-
quickly.
Are you ready?
What
You
kind
ready?
of beat?
You ready?
All right, let's go. Boom, wow, boom, wow, boom,
You're black. Police ratio.
Nah, come on, bro. Just fucking rap already. Walk in the club. Just rap.
My team.
Backpack.
I walk in the club when I pull up the thing and I pull up the thing.
Don't make your voice go the wow wow.
Oh my fucking god. I haven't even got to the good part of the
God, we did so